Hello, my name is Cyril Stachnis, and I would like to welcome you here to this C++ course. So it's a course on modern C++ in the way we are using it and also teaching it here at the University of Bonn. And it is intended to introduce you into the basic concepts of C++, that you get familiar with key libraries like STL and learn how to use it, how to use classes, how to use templates and things like this. So we would like to give you the tools at hand that you need in order to develop C++ programs that later on, for example, will run on mobile robots or will interpret camera data and solve certain computer vision or perception tasks. So this is a course which has originally been created by Igor Boguslavsky and taught in 2018, and then has been taken over by Ignacio Vicio afterwards, who's also teaching this course here today. So we have around 10 or 11 lectures on topics related to C++ plus a series of tutorials. The tutorials are partially taught by Ignacio, or others are external tutorials based on great video material that you find online. So within this playlist of course material, you will find a lot of material which covers approximately 6 credit points of material for learning C++. The course also comes with homework assignments. We are unfortunately not able to correct any homework assignments with respect to people who are doing this course online, but you at least find the assignments online on our website. The course is typically followed by a small 3 or 4 week project which students are executing, implementing a certain topic on their own. So this is also something that we cannot supervise online, obviously, but this is something that you can actually do for yourself. So I hope this course is useful for you and gives you a good start into C++ so that afterwards you're confident to code your own programs in C++, you are able to understand key concepts that are used and which hopefully simplifies your life or on a path towards a software developer. I hope that is useful for you and you like these courses, and special thanks to Ignacio Vicio, who is mainly teaching this course here, but also to Igor Boguslavsky, who originally initiated this course in 2018. So, thank you very much for your attention.